Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the beautiful and vibrant country of Japan. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone dreaming of their next getaway, Japan has something magical to offer. So let's jump in and explore some of its most iconic spots. First stop, Tokyo. This megatropolis is the perfect mix of modern skyscrapers and traditional culture. You can't miss the Shibuya crossing, one of the busiest pedestrian crossings in the world. It's an exhilarating experience just watching hundreds of people move in perfect sync. And if you're into shopping, Shibuya and Harajuku are the places to be for cutting-edge fashion and unique stores. Next, we're heading to Kyoto, the heart of Japan's traditional culture. If you're looking to step back in time, the Fushimi Inari Shrine is a must-see. These endless red torii gates stretch up the mountain, creating a breathtaking tunnel of history and spirituality. Plus, Kyoto is home to stunning temples, serene gardens, and beautiful geisha districts. It's like walking through a living postcard. Now, let's take a quick trip to Osaka, Japan's culinary capital. The Dotonbori district is famous for its neon signs, quirky entertainment, and of course, amazing food. Be sure to try takoyaki, made with octopus, or okonomiyaki, Japanese savory pancakes. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Osaka also has a vibrant nightlife scene, so there's no shortage of things to do when the sun goes down. And we can't forget about Mount Fuji. This iconic snow-capped peak is Japan's tallest mountain and an absolute must-see. Whether you're into hiking or simply want to relax by one of the surrounding lakes, your views will leave you speechless. And if you're visiting in the warmer months, don't miss out on the cherry blossoms that bloom near the base of the mountain. Pure magic. To wrap things up, let's take a moment for a bit of peace and serenity. Japan is known for its traditional tea ceremonies, a symbol of calm and mindfulness. And if you have the chance, participate in one. It's a truly unique experience where every step, from the pouring of the tea to the bowing, has deep cultural significance. Japan is a place that truly blends the old and the new, and every corner of it has something special to offer. From buzzing city streets to tranquil temples, there's no shortage of adventure here. So are you ready to pack your bags and start the journey? I know I am. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, sayonara.